Hello, nail art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special in store for you, an elegant green and white nail art tutorial that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you are a seasoned nail artist or just starting out, you are going to love this timeless combination. So let's dive right in and create some magic on those nails. First, let's gather our material. You will need green and white nail polishes, a base coat, a top coat, nail art brushes, a dotting tools, and some nail polish remover for cleanup. Ensure your nails are clean and prepped before we begin. Begin by applying a thin layer of base coat to protect your nails and help the nail polish other better. Next, apply 2 coats of green nail polish to our ring finger and thumb. For the other nails, apply 2 coats of white nail polish. Allow each coat to dry thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Add a white coat and you see this design, how much beautiful and so looks amazing. Make sure you like it design. Let's create the love effect now. Dip a nail art brush into the both green and white polishes. Then gently drag it across your nails to create a love design. Don't worry about making it perfect them perfection and to the charm. Seal your beautiful design with the glossy top coat. This will not only protect your nail art but also give it a professional finish. There you have it, an elegant green and white nail art combination that's bound to turn heads. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumb up, share this video with your friend and subscribe to our channel for more nail art inspiration. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.